Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and I'm going to do a review of the Thiswork corded vacuum cleaner with accessory kit. This is a pretty complete kit to vacuum your car, and I actually really like this kit. The reason why is because the vacuum is light. It actually has a Hepa filter. It actually has two Hepa filters with it, and it has all the accessories you actually need to clean your car or just quickly vacuum your car. And it's a pretty nice suction by itself. If you just use it with that, it works pretty well. It does suck things up. Of course, I have this custom floor mat that makes it easier to vacuum, but if you have carpet or the other ones with the attachment and that flexible hose, it's a lot more efficient, and you can even clean this one a lot better too. It sucks up fries and everything else, so it's been pretty effective in terms of sucking up small items, dust, and everything else like that, even on light carpet. Light pile carpet. It does use a 12-volt adapter. There's no batteries. It's not, and it's corded, so it comes with like I think 16 feet of cord. As you can see, it has sucked up a lot of paper and a lot of dust and stuff. The Hepa filter is pretty neat. It actually stops a lot of the dust and stuff, and it's actually washable, which is nice. It's reusable. It comes with two, so if, let's say you washed one and you're letting it dry in the sun, you guys use the second one to basically use. So it's pretty awesome. It comes with a little brush too, so you can wipe out all the little particles off of that thing before rinsing it with water. Like I said, I already did this a few times, so every time you vacuum, you're supposed to clean this out. So it is a Hepa filter, so it get fill pretty quickly. So I could do pretty much one car of light dust just by vacuuming the dust of crumbs in the cushions and stuff, and it's been pretty efficient. And overall, this is mainly what I'm doing it is to just basically suck the dust and fries from the crevices and everything else like that, and it's pretty effective doing that. It also sucks up the dust pretty well, and there's no dust flying everywhere like how some other filters are, because it is a Hepa filter, so it's really cool. It does do carpeting pretty well, but if you could do multiple cars, I'd probably want to get something a little bigger and more powerful. I like the fact that it comes with all the attachments, like the crevice filter or crevice attachment, so you get into the small areas and just quickly vacuum stuff. I actually use it to vacuum the receipts and paper out of in between the seats that fell in there, and it's been pretty effective doing that. But like I said, it is a pretty small vacuum. So another thing I don't like about it is that the capacity is kind of small. I basically, after doing about 2 footwells and stuff, I had to basically, clean out all the stuff out of that the vacuum cleaner. That works pretty well on carpet and even a thicker carpet. But if you're going to do, much like multiple cars, this is probably not the thing you want to do, unless you're just doing your personal car and probably one more. But the size of the canister is actually pretty small, so you can probably do one car no problem, and then clean out later. It comes with this nice little bag which everything fits in it, which is really nice. I think that was a really good touch. Like I said, this is a really good kit because it comes with all the accessories, the bag, the cleaning tools, everything you actually need to actually just vacuum your car, and I thought it was pretty neat. This thing does not vacuum wet stuff though, and it does come with a paper Hepa filter, so be mindful of that. Let's do a quick unboxing of this really quick. There is a seal that's on this box, which I thought was a nice touch. This has a lot of marketing on this box, which is really cool. Flexible tool comes out. I like the fact that the attachments are all the same, so you don't have to deal with a converter or adapter or anything like some other vacuums do. Taking it out, it's actually very lightweight, and it actually seems like it builds pretty well. That is I think that's like a air freshener, and then there's a brush, and here's the instruction manual. You could clean the filter with water, which is good, and that's what I do every time I vacuum, so it's very nice. Overall, it's been pretty cool. Like I said, very, very cool in terms of the entire kit. Here it is. It is kind of small. There's a little flap in there to keep the dust in, which is nice. It comes with like a 16-foot cable, and like I said, the adapters fit pretty well into that into the front of the canister or the vacuum. The vacuum is kind of loud, but it doesn't really matter. You're basically plugging this into your car. I noticed that the cord actually gets really warm because of the I guess the wattage of the motor or something like that. But overall, it's been pretty cool. This crevice filter is very useful. I wish it was a little bit more slanted though, so that I could vacuum stuff that's further down. But at the same time, like I said, the attachments are nice and snug, which I thought was really nice too. Sometimes these attachments suck, and this one actually came out very well. So overall, it's an excellent package, and if you're just doing your car, and just vacuuming some cushions and on the floors, it's actually very, very useful and very convenient. Also, it's not battery operated, so you don't have to replace that battery after a couple of years. It's actually, uses your car 12-volt thing, which is actually a plus. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.